Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Ashimary. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So these are the goodies that came with the unit. Of course, that melting band, a toothbrush, some bobby pins, and those bows, and I got some lashes, and of course a cap. I really thought that was Lori Harvey. I had to do a double take because I'm like, okay, Lori, I didn't know you was on the little cap spool. But that is what the hairline is giving. She is a 360 skin lace wig, so of course you are able to put her up. Of course, I had to clean up that kitchen in the back before I did that because, babe, I'm not gonna lift up this wig and then you see my tresses in the back. Like, babe, we're not gonna do that. The little string parts was very you have to be very gentle with those, because the more I was pulling, like if you don't know how to properly pull those, it would really feel like they will kind of snap off, but it's really durable compared to how it actually feels. So once I kind of got the hang of it, I was able to tie her up. Exactly, I was able to tie her up and tighten her up. I will be tinting my lace with my Ruby Kisses makeup. So right now I am putting some of that foundation in the back as well, because that is lace in the back. I will be gluing my lace down so I can get that full effect, and I will be using that adhesive around my nape area as well so the lace in the back can lay down too. This was a pretty interesting wig to kind of put on. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I really do like the concept of the 360 units, because sometimes you do want to kind of have your hair up. So I'm being very careful with this part. I don't want to cut off, obviously, the elastic part where you get to pull and adjust the wig in the back. I love this honey blonde brown highlight wig. This wig color is always so cute, and with it being officially fall, this is the perfect fall color, I believe. Just be mindful of the actual straps, the adjustable straps, and make sure you are tucking her up under that unit. Overall, how I am feeling about this unit, I really do like the concept of the 360 units. Of course, if you are a girly that works out or likes to run errands or just don't like a lot of hair on the back of their neck, on their back, get you a 360 unit because you can always place her up and it will look natural as well. The construction of the unit was really good. I did love this color. I love the texture of this unit. She did not shed, she did not tangle, but of course, maintenance wise, I wouldn't know until I have to do, my first little wash and maintenance day with her. So that is still up in the air as far as like the shedding and tangling, but so far so good straight out the pack. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Ashimary for sending me this unit to review for you guys today. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.